Say, say, ha! By Carlos P. Romano. I am a Filipino. I am a Filipino. Inheritor of a glorious past, hostage to a certain future. As such, I must prove people to a twofold task. Twofold task. The task of giving my responsibility to the past, and the task of performing my obligation to the future. I sprung from a hardy race, child of many generations, removed of ancient Malayan pioneers. Across the centuries, the memories come rushing back to me of brown skinned men putting out to sea in ships that were afraid as their hearts were soft. Over the sea, I see them come, borne upon the billowing wave and the whistling wind, carried upon the mighty swell of hope in the free abundance of new land that grants to be their home and their children's forever. This the land they sought and found, every inch of shore that their eyes were set upon, every hill and mountain that beckoned to them with a green and purple invitation, every mile of rolling plain that their view encompassed, every river and lake that promised the plentiful living and the fruitfulness of commerce. It's a hallowed spot to me. I am a Filipino. In my blood runs immortal seed of heroes, seeds that cower down the centuries in deeds of courage and defiance. In my face, yet pulses the same hot blood that sent Lapu-Lapu into battle against the alien foe, that drove Diego Silang and Dago into rebellion against the foreign oppressor. I am a Filipino, and this is my inheritance. What pledge shall I give that I may prove worthy of my inheritance? I shall give the pledge that has come bringing down the horrors of the century, and it shall be compounded of the joyous pride of my Malayan forebears when they first saw the contours of his land loom before their eyes, of the battle cries that have resulted in every field of combat, from Mactan to Sierra, of the voices of my people when they sing. Land of the morning, shall the sun returning, near shall invaders stumble the sacred shore. Out of the Dutch of these 7,000 isles, out of the heartstring of 16 million people, all migrating to one song, I have reaped the mighty fabric of my pledge. Out of the song of the farmers, at sunrise, when they go to labor in the field. Out of the sweat of the hard-working pioneers, in Mali and Coronadal. Out of the silent endurance of seeders at the piers and the ominous rumbling of peasant Pampanga. shall make the pattern of my pledge.
I am a Filipino.
I am a Filipino. I am a Filipino. I am a Filipino. I am the Filipino. I am a Filipino. I am a Filipino. I am.
I am Filipino. I am a Filipino.
I am a Filipino. I am a Filipino.
I am a Filipino.
I am a Filipino.
I am a Filipino.
Born of freedom.